It starts with a text message, 11 p.m., a leaking faucet, a broken water heater, or another minor emergency that's suddenly your problem. If you've reached the point where that vibration on your nightstand makes your stomach drop, you're experiencing landlord burnout. Yikes. And it's not just the maintenance calls, it's the spreadsheets, the taxes, the insurance premiums, and the rising costs of ownership that keep chipping away at your bottom line. Managing a rental was supposed to be a passive investment, but lately, it feels like a full-time job you never applied for. So, every time a unit turns over, the repairs, the screening, and the vacancy loss can cost you thousands. It's a predictable cycle that peaks right when the initial excitement fades. You aren't doing anything wrong, you just might be ready to get your weekends back. You really have two honest paths forward. You can systemize it, treat it like a business, and hire a property manager to handle the midnight calls. Or you can sell the property, tenants and all, and walk away with a clean break. One lets you keep the asset, the other lets you keep your peace of mind. At Fair Deal Home Buyers, we specialize in helping landlords make that second choice. We buy occupied rental properties across Wisconsin exactly as they are. No evictions, no repairs, and no more midnight texts. We make it easy so you can finally start fresh. If you're ready to be done being the person your tenant calls at midnight, reach out today. We'll walk you through what selling an occupied rental actually looks like. No judgment, no pressure. Call us at 414-409-8251 or visit fairdealhomebuyers.com.